Scene 1. Welcome to Epoxy Arts. Every masterpiece starts with careful planning and a perfectly prepared workspace. Scene 2. Now we're building the foundation of our miniature landscape, carefully placing each element with precision and attention to detail. Scene 3. The village is coming to life. Every house, tree, road, and decoration is positioned by hand to create a realistic scene. Scene 4. It's time for the most exciting step. Crystal clear epoxy resin is poured slowly to preserve every tiny detail beneath a flawless surface. Scene 5. After the resin has fully cured, the table is carefully sanded and polished until it reaches a crystal clear, mirror-like finish. Scene 6. Our handcrafted epoxy table is finally complete. Thank you for watching this amazing transformation. See you in the next Epoxy Arts creation.